Hey guys, welcome to day 3, and today I'm going to teach you how to build a professional looking brand identity design wearing your shorts while sitting on your sofa. Exactly, that's day 3. So part of growth hacking is to get things done even when you look at branding or design quickly with less investment. I'm sorry, brand design companies. I run a brand design company too, but this is how we're going to do it. So just quickly go to this website myemblem.io and click on the button get started now. Select if you have a logo or you don't have a logo. That's the question they ask you. Let's say you need a logo, we don't have anything. Choose your style, simple. Let's say we're going to do it for Growth Hacking Daily. Do we want an icon? Yes, let's say something to do with growth. Let's choose this icon for now. We choose an icon, we build the logo. I think we go with this, simple. And we can choose the color and layout, and what it does is it creates this beautiful brand identity, brand assets, and brand book for you. This is your business card. You can edit all of these details. This is the font pack. There are multiple options. This is how your social media assets will look. You can download all of these assets, your profile photos, your cover photos, your business cards. You can choose a different style. For example, this is another style that I created. This is a different font. I can also edit all of these details as I want. So I can edit the information. I can obviously edit the colors. I can choose a different graphic. I can do all of this stuff. So quick brand identity, brand assets, brand design in less than 2 minutes. That's the growth hack for today. So you don't have to waste a lot of time on branding and focus on things which will get you quick, fast ROI. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. Watch out the day 4 growth hack tomorrow.